Good evening, everyone. Myself, Raghu Sharma. I'm here to present my project presentation on Vehicle Breakdown Assistant Finder with my teammates Adar Jaiswal, Aryan Jaiswal, and under the supervision of Professor Priyanka Gupta. Our project idea description is with the today's traffic condition, there is a increasing needs of providing a driver with a travel information and to be able to accurately locate individual vehicle and dealing with the incident. It is often quite difficult for a driver to pinpoint their location when a breakdown or an accident occurs. The road assistant application was developed with the aim of providing emergency uh, roadside assistance service round the clock to ensure a uninterrupted journey virtually anywhere. The application is designed to enhance the user experience and the user ensure the user get the immediate free service in the event of any vehicle breakdown. Now here is a flowchart of the applications. Let's connect to the that's there will be a two use as a customer and a service provider. Then a customer connect to an application, then he has to log in, sign up, and as a guest user then he has to connect with a gps to get their location and choose the requirement as an assistant he want. Then the notification pop up into the service provider and connect that service provider connect to the application. Then he log in into a application and retrieve the data and the location of the customer, and the data is all about of the accidents or the repairment or the tools what he needs, like a minor on site repair, fuel problems, lockout assistance, car repairings, car towing, mechanical fault, flat tire. Then the service provider take tools and give the assistance to the customer, and after that the payment will be given to a service provider, and that's. Let's talk about the technology stacks. In our application, there's a front end and back end technologies are used. The front end technologies are HTML, CSS, and JSP as a Java service page, and a backend JDBC, Java database connectivity, and Oracle. Now, my friend continue, Aryan Jaiswal.
Now, myself, Aryan Jaswal, and I am here to explain our module and provide you a live demonstration of our project. So, in our project, there are two modules. So, in first module, there are signups, and the signups are of both the type, that is customer and the service provider or the mechanic. So, in this, we will give the details. We'll take the details and we'll register the user and the service provider. And the second module, the user can log in and then he can avail the different type of services. So now let me take you to the live demonstration. So as you see, this is our home page, and now we can see here. We press on login, and now we can log in as a user. Okay, so first we see the sign up. Now in sign up, you can write anything like and any type of passwords, Aadhaar number. There should be only 12-digit Aadhaar number. Now email anything, mobile number, and our currently our model is only for customer, and our and for uh, and for the mechanic we have to register differently. Okay, so now we will write the captcha and we submit it. So our see, we can see here our account ID is 21, username is this, and password is this. Now we go to the login page and we log in. Now we can see that there are four types of services, that is mechanic finder, car service center, nearest petrol pump, and car wash service. These are the services we are currently providing. And when we click on a mechanic finder, so we can see that there are four types of services that are available on a mechanic. So our mechanic is not a very big mechanic. They are normally small mechanics or local mechanics that are present in our in our city. Whereas there is small mechanic. So we see the nearest point is Rajnagar, IMS, ABS, New Delhi railway station, Old Delhi railway station. So for example, if we go to ABS Ghaziabad, so our visit charges, we have to see that how much difference we are from the mechanic. So visit charges under this, we can select under 10 kilometers. Okay, so now we click on calculate price and then we see the map. Now this map is, we have embedded it from the Google Maps. Okay, so it is showing here there's ABS college. Okay, so the amount for the visit will be 40 rupees. Okay, so because we have selected under 10 kilometers, and now if we want to see the exact our location and the mechanic location, we have to click on this map, and then will be redirected to the Google Maps, and then we can see them, because it is not possible to put every mechanic location on the original Google Maps. So we will see that, and now we place an order. Let's see. And now after placing order, we get that there are three mechanics in the nearby area of ABS. So these are the names, these are the mobile numbers, this is the address, and this is their ID. So now the user can call them and tell about what the problem he is facing, and then the mechanic would respond to how he can help, and if he wants to come, then he'll come there. Okay, so this is all that we have made in our project. I hope you like it. Thank you. So now, as we saw the demonstration, we can see that there are many advantages. The first advantage is that the user and or the driver is provided with different types of services, and the different types of services to avail, and the because of this, every driver is not will not wait for the services to arrive, because our all the mechanics will be local. Okay, the second one is the traveler can have easy access to the services based on current location, because we have embedded the Google Maps. And after clicking on that Google Map, the user can locate himself and also the mechanic. And the third one is the services are in very wide range, as you can see that we have implemented car wash also, we have implemented service center, and we have implemented nearest petrol station. And on petrol station, there is also a services of towing the vehicles. Okay, so now the conclusion, and for the conclusion, we can see that when the chassis of properly maintained vehicle experiencing a breakdown or slim, it is never a possibility to predict when the user may experience a vehicle breakdown. So we can see that even after all maintaining the vehicle, it is unsure if our vehicle just stops in between the road, and it is very devastating for very devastating if a family is sitting and they are going on a road trip or a picnic. So it is very disheartening, and so that our proposed system will promise to act as a source of protection, we can say as a safety, so that the unpredictability of a vehicle breakdown won't affect the drivers, because we have local mechanics, and the local mechanics are available, so that the service will be fast. There will be time. Won't be time consuming. Like